vanishes into... Is the King of Clubs looking a little bit... Oh, fantastic. I'm going to assume by that reaction that was definitely the right card. To make this harder for me, easier for you guys, Riley, sir, can you shuffle the cards for me, man? That's enough, mate. Thank you so much. It wouldn't have mattered anyway, Riley. I like to keep your card in the pocket, sir, just to make this trick slightly easier for me, harder for everybody else to follow, okay? Now, I'm going to vanish the King of Clubs, then I do a demonstration of sleight of hand, and I finish us off nice and quick with the finale of the show. For the finale, it uses this pole, 3 meters high in the air. I don't expect me to juggle this. I'm not a juggler. I'm a magician. It's much cooler. You guys' silence is reassuring. Okay, well, thanks everybody. This pole and this bag for the finale of the show. Now this will make no sense currently. However, in a few short moments, it will explain. For now, I'm going to leave this bag suspended above the ground the entire time in full view right next to this lovely brazen iron fence. Watch close. Vanishing the King of Clubs.
It makes sense down here. I don't want to. Can you hear me? Emo, can you hear me?
Ada pintu.